Okay, so here we will discuss an example to understand the matrix multiplication further, to make it more clear. Okay, yeah, so my example goes like this. Say we have a budget of 8 to 10 lakhs, or we want to stretch and maybe 10 to 12 lakhs, right? And we want to get ourselves a car. Okay, so let's form a table and let's say we have the brands, say Toyota, then Honda, Hyundai, and Renault, right? Let's say we consider these four brands and we look at the cars in this budget, right? Whenever we make a purchase, we make this kind of table. Maybe not physically, but in our head, we have an idea that, okay, so and so cars are in this and this budget, right? So, say Toyota has, let's say, one option here and two options here. Then Honda has, say, two options here and four options here. Hyundai has say 3 and 5 here, and Renault has say 2 and 2. Why not? Okay, right. So we formulated this table and look carefully. This was our input, and these are the conditions we put that we want the car from one of these four brands, right? So now when we put further conditions, we would check it for all of these brands, right? We won't skip any of them, right? So this is the reason why the next matrix has to have the rows equal to the number of columns. Like we have to have Toyota also, Honda also, Hyundai also, and Renault also. We will not skip any of these. So you got it? So if this was a 2 cross 4 table, this has to be a 4 cross something. Depends on what we are looking for the next. Say, yeah, say, just give me a moment. Okay, this won't work. Let's say we are looking at the gearbox. We want automatic or manual, right? So again, we will fill in the tables, just whatever the figures are, doesn't matter. But do you get it? That why this number of columns has to be same as the number of rows. Okay, and see, this we are checking for the gearbox. We may apply 10 conditions here, right? We may apply 10 conditions here, and we may get a 4 cross 10 matrix. So then our output would be according to these two inputs and then those 10 outputs, the final conditions. And in between this will be the algorithm, the process, which would give us our final options. Okay, I hope this makes it a little more clear. Yeah, this is a short video. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments.